Imagine if everything you know suddenly changed. The Earth, a giant sphere hurtling through space, spinning at over 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. What if it suddenly stopped? Not forever, just for 5 seconds. It sounds short, but 5 seconds could be all it takes to destroy the world as we know it. Part 1, Moment of Stoppage. 0:30 to 1:30. At that moment, silence, but it wouldn't last. Everything not anchored to the bedrock, you, your home, the oceans, the air itself, would keep moving. Because while the Earth stops, momentum doesn't. Humans, cars, buildings, launched eastward at over 1,000 miles per hour. It's like slamming the brakes on a spinning ride and being thrown off with unimaginable force. Entire cities would be instantly flattened. Skyscrapers would crumble. Planes would fall. Highways would turn into launching pads of steel and fire. Or Part 2, the air and wind. 1:30 to 2:30. Now, imagine the wind. Earth's atmosphere wouldn't stop spinning. It would rush over the surface like a colossal hurricane. Winds faster than any ever recorded, tearing through continents. Not just roofs flying off, but entire forests ripped from the soil. A storm unlike anything in history, and it would span the entire globe. Part 3, the oceans respond. 2:30 to 3:30. And the oceans, they'd become weapons. Water would surge outward, rising into mega tsunamis hundreds of feet high. Coastlines? Gone. Whole cities like New York, Tokyo, Mumbai, underwater in seconds. Boats, ships, ports, all tossed like toys. Rivers might even reverse for a moment, then flood with unthinkable force. Part 4, earthquakes and fire. 3:30 to 4:30. Beneath the surface, the crust of the earth would groan under sudden stress. Massive earthquakes would ripple through every fault line. Volcanoes, many would erupt, triggered by the shifting plates, releasing ash, lava, and toxic gases into the air. Fires would spread from ruptured power grids, destroyed fuel lines, in sheer chaos, a disaster in every direction. Part 5, 5 seconds later. 4:30 to 5:30, and then, after just 5 seconds, the Earth starts spinning again. But now, everything is broken. Skies filled with smoke, oceans out of place, mountains trembling, millions gone. In just 5 seconds, Earth went from order to apocalypse. Part 6, the science and reality. 5:30 to 6:30. Now let's be clear, physics tells us this scenario is nearly impossible. The Earth can't just stop spinning on a dime. It would take an unimaginable force. But that's exactly the point. It shows just how much we rely on motion, balance, and gravity working in harmony. The spin of our planet shapes weather, time, even life itself. Outrow, 6:30 to 7. So the next time you look up at the stars or stand still on the ground,